mai koutou, ko CARLIE ahau. I am CARLIE.
And more Adendoff Winton School, ko CASSIDY ahau. I am CASSIDY. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 15th of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is awhina, which is te reo for help.
As in, Maku ko awhina. I will help you.
With my homework?
No! With your hairstyle. Ouch.
Awhina, which is te reo for help.
Magazine team news. Please meet Mr. T in the library at lunchtime. Key order.
Book fair colouring and competition results.
Congratulations to all the following students who have won a prize in the colouring competition.
Neeley, Teresa, Adendoff, Phoebe, Cournane, Leith, Libby, Harland, Beth Anderson, Gabby, Beaumont, Zara, Campbell and Riley, Chapman.
Please meet Miss McGrath in the office at morning tea. Ka pai.
Whakarongo koutou. Dress up day news.
Tomorrow we go bonkers for Bailey to raise money to help her with her recovery.
Go big with colours and here, bring your gold coin and give a little for a real good cause.
Okay, on to health and safety news. A clear sky UV forecast for today. It is moderate from 11 till 5.
So wear your portai and say sun smart koutou.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
House news. Can all the house leaders please meet Mr. Chapman in room 11 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
Birthday news. Only one birthday at Winton School today.
Casey Laffy hits the big hero 6.
Rafino kia kor kwe Casey. Have a great day.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.